Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a loss I took as well personally. There's no such thing as a 100% win ratio, and I'm just going to be 100% transparent with you that not all trades are 100% and not all trades are winning trades. Even though you're following all your rules, sometimes the market just goes against you, and yes, you take a losing trade. So let's get straight into the video. All right, so when we look at this piece of price action, you can see we are in a huge uptrend. We were breaking highs, we were breaking lows. Now, in the 4 hour time frame, I was looking for price to go to the up move as a continuation. The reason why I saw this fair value gap here on the 4 hour, price went up, tagged the fair value gap, it broke these highs here, it broke that high there, cool, price came back, it retraced, it filled our fair value gap, so on the pip there was a huge nice move reaction, came back, we broke that high, then there was another break to that high, so that's indicating to me already, cool, we are going up, we broke this high, we broke this high. So that was a good indication for me that price is going to go up. All right, so as you can see, price created the fair value gap, went up, liquidity was taken, it came down, filled our fair value gap to the pip, and we got a reaction and we will start breaking highs. So for me, that was an indication that price is going to go up. All right, so let's go to the lower time frame, the 1 hour. All right, so yes, price on the lower time frame. Price is here on the lower time frame. As you can see, this was that 4 hour fair value gap. These were the highs I was talking about. As you can see, a high was broken, highs were broken, a high was broken. So my anticipation was that we are going to run. So price came up, entered the zone here, price came down, and now this is where I was looking to enter. So as soon as I saw price were retracing back, I literally drew my fib and waited for the discount zone. So let's have a look at that quickly. All right, so from the 4 hour, like I said, we were breaking highs. Price tapped into this zone here. As you can see, we got a retracement. Now this is a 1 hour order block. As you can see, price tapped into our 1 order block. And then again, let me just zoom in a little bit. Tapped in our 1 hour order block. Liquidity was created there. We had a market structure shift. So for me, that's market structure shift. We had another break and then price left this 30-minute fair value gap. I will show you on the 30-minute. You can see it a little bit better. So let's quickly go down to the 30-minute. This is that 1 hour order block. Liquidity was created. We had a market structure shift. Let's just mark that out for you so you can see it. We had a market structure shift. We broke another high with a big impulse move, and price left this 30-minute fair value gap. So I was marking this out. As you can see on the screenshot, I was annotating this and I was marking this out. I was waiting for price to enter this fair value gap, and then we're going to take a buy and continue upwards. Now, where was my target? Let's quickly zoom out. So my target was this high here, and then my second target was this high there. There we go. So as you can see, my first target and my second target. All right, now let's quickly have a look what happened. So I was waiting for price to come back down, because when you draw your fib, you will see this was in the discounted area. And the first thing I noticed was before, just above this fair value gap, there was a low that was created. So for me, that was liquidity that was created. So liquidity needs to be taken out, enter our fair value gap, and then continue up. There we go. So I marked it out. Liquidity was created. Now I was waiting for an entry here. So on our signal group, I literally gave the entry right at this level. And price came down, didn't react a lot. So I told everyone as well, like, I'm closing personally because I'm not getting the reaction that I want. And yes, the stop loss is quite big. On the 30-minute, if you enter there, where's your stop loss going to be? Stop loss is going to be right below this low. So my target, my TP was this first target, and my stop loss was below this low. There you go. So entry, TP, stop loss, just below this low, right there. So I was anticipating to enter. I entered the trade. I did send the signal out. So what happened? Price came into our zone, didn't have a nice reaction. Reacted a little bit later on the day. It came to our entry point again. And then price went straight through our stop loss. Entered this 1 hour order block again. And then from this 1 hour order block, as you can see, after we've been stopped out, price literally went straight to our target, literally wicked our target, and now we are in the current price. So the reason behind my trade was simple. We entered a 1 hour order block. When we zoom out on the higher time frames, this was that 4 hour fair value gap. Price reacted from it. In this fair value gap, price reacted from this order block here, went up, highs were being broken. Again, yeah, liquidity was taken, big impulse move, price respected this fair value gap, reacted, broke this high, price went all the way up, it came back down, respected our 1 hour order block, liquidity was created before we entered our 1 hour order block. This one here, huge impulse move, market structure shift. We broke another high, leaving a beautiful fair value gap. So for me, this was indicating, all right, price is coming down, going up. So when I draw my fib from there to there, as you can see, 50%, 61.8, 78. And for me, this is literally the golden zone to enter. I can't remember that I put the fib from here or the either or, whichever one you are in. I think it was this one. Yeah, it was from this low to this high. I draw the fib. And as you see, it came back down into discount. Perfect zones, lining up with a fair value gap. Liquidity was created, market structure shift, second impulse move, leaving a fair value gap. So my expectation of the trade was literally when we enter our zone here, price needs to react really quickly to our target. Price needs to react really quickly to our target. And that was my anticipation of the price. It didn't work out that way 100%. Price came down, took us out, and then again entered this order block, and then price went up to the pip to our target and came back down again. So yes, not all trades is going to be winning trades, even though you're following all your rules and you follow your strategy. This is the truth. That's part of trading. Not every trade is going to be 100%, even though I was following all my rules on my strategy. And yes, market decided to go against us. But that's part of trading. We are going to catch the next one. And yes, hope you enjoyed this video, just a breakdown. And then yes, I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.